tires, morning breath in cold air lungs. Maps folded, lies forgiven, still chasing what we've done. Rust on steel, mud on memory tracks that never really fade. I don't pray to heaven anymore, I listen to the land. Silence talks when engines die. Truth shows up when no one's near. Every scar's a mile marker. Every doubt still brings me here. There's static in the pines tonight. It hums like something old and wild. And I disappear to feel alive. No signal bars, no alibis. If I'm lost, then let me stay between the fire, the trail, the rain. I don't need saving, just the sound of tires biting sacred ground. Hands smell like oil and river skin. Bloodline stories in the cab. Father's sons, ghost riding shotgun. Every choice we never had. Dogs grow gray, fires burn low. Names carved deep into the stone. I've buried friends in open spaces, so they're never alone. Static grows when night rolls in. Stars don't care where you've been. Every risk is still a promise if you're strong enough to listen. There's static in the pines tonight. It rattles bones and clears the mind. I trade the noise for endless sky and hear myself for the first time. If I break down, I'll fix it here. With busted knuckles, dirt and fear, I don't need saving, just the sound of tires biting sacred ground. No feed, no likes, no witnesses. Just the wind and what it remembers. Drag the past behind the axle. Let it spark and burn away. If I die out here, at least I know I lived every mile I paid. And there's static in the pines tonight. It sounds like truth without a face. I fade into the firelight and leave my echo in this place.
remember who you are.